Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be well appreciated. Yesterday, MSI finally launched the MSI Titan GP78HX gaming notebook in China. The model comes in 4 configurations, each one relating to the RTX graphics inside. All 4 models are similar except for the different graphics cards, which include RTX 4060, 4070, 4080, and 4090 in each one of them. The new gaming notebooks are equipped with 16GB memory and support 2.5K output, in addition to 1TB SSD storage. The notebook has MSI glazed moon screen with a resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels. It has a 240Hz refresh rate and a 100% DCI-P3 professional wide color gamut. The gaming notebook supports a 4-zone RGB backlit keyboard and several system presets. The MSI Titan gaming notebook comes with an eSports design featuring Axis Ultra stainless steel hinges. The model adopts an asymmetrical design concept and it features hedging windows for heat dissipation. The model also reflects the MSI through texture and has a performance release of up to 250W. As for connectivity options, the MSI Titan notebook has USB-A, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, Thunderbolt 4, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. The models support Wi-Fi 6E and Windows Hello. The laptop packs a 90 Wh battery which supports 100 Watt fast charging. The cooling system for the notebook includes 2 fans, 5 heat pipes, and 3 Storm 3D cooling holes. As for the price, the MSI Titan GP78HX has a retail price starting at $1,596 for the RTX 4060 model. The RTX 4070 variant is priced at $1,978 while the RTX 4080 version costs $2,684. The top-of-the-line variant with an RTX 4090 graphics card will set you back $3,532 American dollars. You can get the gaming notebook at JD.com and they should soon be available globally. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment and watch our other videos.